The process to resolve the border disputes between Meghalaya and Assam in the remaining 6 sectors in the second phase will be delayed due to complications out of the Mukroh incident. Chief Minister Conrad Kesangma said a meeting was expected this week, but the unfortunate incident took place and now the situation is a little complicated and the government may not be able to go for talks immediately. The first round of meetings with the regional committees in the second phase of talks to resolve the interstate border issue was expected to be held by November.
What I was expecting that this month itself, in this week in fact, we had expected to meet before the unfortunate incident took place. But now with all of this happening, I think situation is slightly complicated. So maybe we may not be able to go for it immediately, though we still strongly feel that this is the way to move forward. We are very much committed to resolving it, and we want to work as fast as possible to resolve it, because that's the only permanent way to ensure that these kind of incidents can be completely avoided in the future. But because of the unfortunate incident that took place, circumstances have changed, and hence we will have to take some time. We'll have to keep having discussions with Assam government and Government of India and see when it will be appropriate to have a talk with them again.